Order. Just before we proceed with a number of statements that need to be made, I would like to thank the Prime Minister and colleagues for their kind and generous personal remarks, which are greatly appreciated. I want to thank staff of mine, past and present, who have given of their time to be here today for the last Prime Minister's question that I chair. All of them are people who've worked with me for a significant period of time. We've had fantastic relations and a terrific bond, and I hugely appreciate the fact that they've bothered to turn up on this occasion. And in particular, again, I want to thank my wife, Sally, and our 3 children, Oliver, Freddie and Jemima, for the support, stoicism and fortitude which they've displayed through thick and thin over the last decade. I'll never forget it, and I'll always be grateful for it.